If you've stumbled upon plushshop.com and are wondering whether this site is a legit place to buy those adorable plushies like Golden Shoes Meow and Nuvi Lit Meow, it's smart to pause before diving in because the reality isn't as black and white as you might hope. Plushshop presents itself as a transparent company with clear details, boasting over 11,000 reviews and maintaining an active social media presence, which gives an initial impression of reliability and popularity. Many customers genuinely love the plushie's cute designs and generally good quality, which is a big plus, especially if you're a fan of unique and charming characters. However, not everything is smooth sailing. There are quite a few reports from buyers about shipping delays that can stretch longer than expected, sometimes leaving people waiting anxiously for their orders. Additionally, there are questions around dropshipping, meaning the items may not be stored or shipped directly by Plushshop but rather by third parties, which could contribute to inconsistent delivery times and experiences. A particularly important caution is about payment methods. Plushshop accepts Cash App payments, but this option lacks the buyer protections that come with credit cards or trusted online payment systems. So using Cash App might expose you to more risk if something goes wrong with your order. So while Plushshop offers some undeniable charm through its plush characters and has a large volume of mostly positive feedback, you should be aware of the potential downsides related to slower shipping and payment safety before making a purchase. Ultimately, plushshop.com sits in a gray zone. It's not outright a scam, but it's also not flawless, meaning it requires careful consideration of the trade-offs between getting those cute plushies you want and the possible inconvenience or risk involved.